Hello, my name is Nathan Lott. Today I want to talk about a Mac app that will help you out if you forget keyboard shortcuts. A tip to set up your own keyboard shortcuts on the Mac if none exist, and how to get keyboard shortcuts on the iPad if you have an external keyboard. So let's get started with this app. It is called CheatSheet, and you get to it by pressing and holding on the Command key on your keyboard. So if I am in Finder and hold down Command, comma for preferences, that's pretty much across all apps, and all of the keyboard shortcuts that are active and associated with that app. These ones on the far side are always there. These are just the basics on how to take screenshots, and then it gives you what the different symbols mean. There is a settings button at the bottom. Here you can print, check for updates, get support, adjust the delay, how long it takes when you press the Command key, or you can quit the app. Over here, you can see it is by Media Atelier, and you can click on this link to go to their website where you can download it. It is a free app. So let's take a look at it in another app. Let's open up Mail. And then if you hold down Command, you get all of the keyboard shortcuts for Mail. So all the ones under Mail, File, Edit, View, Mailbox, Message, Format, Window. There's nothing under Help, and then your screenshots and cheat sheet. So what if you are in an app, let's say Music, and there's one like Love or Dislike that don't have keyboard shortcuts associated with it? Well, in macOS, you can make your own. So if you go into System Preferences, Keyboard, Shortcuts, App Shortcuts, and then press the plus sign, you can choose which application you want. In this case, it's going to be Music. The menu title is Song. And in that menu title, you have to press dash and greater than to make it into an arrow. And the next level is Love. And then to love a track, we're going to do Control Option Command L and add it. So now you can see that Love has the keyboard command Control Option Command L associated with it. And it also shows in the cheat sheet. Now let's take a look at what the iPad has to offer. It has its own built-in cheat sheet, but only if you have an external keyboard. So again, I'm in Mail. And if I hold down the Command key on my external keyboard, I get some keyboard commands. So they're divided by category: Mail, Undo, Mailbox, and then I can click on Edit, Mailbox, Message, Window, and View. And of course, this is going to be different in every app. So if I go to Safari and I do Command, then I have the cheat sheets for Safari and iOS. In iOS 15, you also get some options for pressing the globe key. Now, my keyboard is not an Apple keyboard. It's a cheap Amazon case. So I have to map where I'm going to put the globe key. So I need to go into Settings, General, Keyboard, Hardware Keyboard, Modifier Keys. And because I rarely use the caps lock key, I'm going to map that to be my globe key. So now, when I press and hold on the caps lock key on my keyboard, I get some other options. So like Globe H goes to the home screen. Globe S activates Siri. Globe C activates Control Center, and so on. The Globe key can also activate multitasking, like the app switcher, show all windows, previous app or next app. You can toggle the window to the right for a split view, right or left, and slide over. Move that to the left or right. So in split view, I would do globe, control, and left arrow. That brings mail to the right and lets me open up something else. Let's do shortcuts. So now I have mail on the left and shortcuts on the right. And that is how you can do keyboard shortcuts or get a cheat sheet for them if you have an external keyboard, iPadOS. That's going to do it for this quick video. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.